Manticore M8 Coil. Same big old piece of watered up full of the same big go ring. All-terrain low conductors. See what that screen's doing there, boys? Now, if you turn on a target like that in the wild and you've seen a similar trace, that might not be a good target to dig, huh? Notice the ID on that thing. There is some ID variation depending, but notice how that trace gets stretched, even rotating on that target. We'll even turn this fall over a little bit there. Redo. See how stretched out it is in that screen? Speed 5. Okay, now that is not stretched out so much. See that? But there she's stretched out. You see that? Now let's get this fall out of here. Let's put this old mighty honker go ring down here. Now we're going to move this go ring on sort of on edge. Now there is some tonal nuance on this go ring versus that foil. You hear that? Nice short crisp signal. You see that nice dot in the window. And if we turn on this, you know, we're going to get the same thing. So if you knew how go rings could behave based on their orientation with this machine, assuming they're sitting so low, no masking of other ferrous and non-ferrous, still got that dot in there. Now we'll come over here. Now the ring is like so. ID drops on it. So a ring on edge, you would expect to get lower ID if you turned substantially lower. Okay, whereas that piece of foil over there, due to its shape, you know, you're not going to see a drastic ID shift because, you know, it really doesn't have a lot of different orientations. You know, its shape is what it is. This ring here, and we'll tilt this ring a little more like so there. I've got her down there about 30 degrees. I'll sweep over this ring here. Now I get a stretched out trace there. Notice that. But when I come over here, the ID drops. And I get still a little bit of a stretched out trace. Notice the ID drop. See there? You're probably not going to see a lot of ID drop on a lot of balled up foil, you know, just to place your odds gambling, you know, out in the wild in a modern trash site where people have been roaming around, maybe losing go rings.